Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So here again I am ready with the new videos, that is week 7 subject English and worksheet number 19. And I know that you also having worksheet with you, right? Good. So take out your worksheet number 19 in your English subject. Okay? So look here, what you have to do here in your worksheet number 19, match the letters to the correct pictures. You have to match the letters to the correct picture. Okay, see here. A is here. So which one is the correct picture? Hat? No. Ice cream? No. Fish? No. So, which is the correct picture? Apple. Apple is the correct picture. So, there only you have to match. A for apple. Come on. Match like this. Next, B. B for car? No. B for egg? No. B for ball. Ball is the correct picture. So see there, where is the ball picture? Here is the ball picture. So there only you have to match like this. Next letter is C. C for, you know very well, C for car. Here is the car picture, there only you have to match like this. Next letter is D. D for duck is the correct picture. So match over there. Next letter E. E for egg. Egg is the correct picture. Like this you have to match, okay? Next letter is F. F for fish. So match like this. Next letter is G. G for gun. Very good. So where is the gun picture? Here is the gun picture. So match over there. Yes. Now H. H for hat. Like this you have to match. Last letter is here I. I for ice cream. So ice cream picture is here. Match over there. Like this you have to complete this page. Now turn the page. Now here also same you have to do. Letter J is here. J for kite. No. J for orange. No. J for queen. No. J for jug. So match over there. J for jug. K for, you know very well, K for kite. Yes. Now next letter is L. L for, which picture is the correct picture over here? Mango is the correct picture. No. Then rat is the correct picture. No. Pen is the correct picture. No. L for lotus. Lotus is the correct picture. So you have to match there only. Like this. M for mango. Match over there. Next N. N for nest. Then letter O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange picture is here. There only you have to match. P for pen. Where is the picture of pen? Here. Like this you have to match. Then Q. Q for queen. Queen picture is here. There only you have to match. Then R. R for rat. Yes. Just now we have completed our worksheet number 19. Now children, take out your worksheet number 20. Now here in your worksheet number 20, again you have to match with the to the remaining letters. Before that, in worksheet number 19 we have completed till R. Okay. Then after R, S. So here also you have to match to the correct picture. Okay. Now see here. Letter S. S for tap. No. Van. No. Umbrella. No. Then which is the correct picture? Which one is the correct picture? S for sun. Sun is the correct picture. So where is the sun picture? See there. Here is the sun picture. Come on, match over there like this. Next letter T. T for tap. Next U. U for, you know very well, U for umbrella. Umbrella picture is here. You have to match there only. V for van. Okay. Now next letter is W. W for watch. Watch picture is here. There only you have to match. Next letter is X. X for Xmas tree. So where is the Xmas tree? Here is the Xmas tree. So match there. Now next letter is Y. Y for yacht. See, here you have to match. Next letter is, that is last letter, Z. Z for Z. This is a Z picture. So match there only. Now we have completed this. Turn the page. So here what you have to do, children? Write the missing letters. Here in the dash you have to write the missing letters. A after, C after, E after. Okay? That letter you have to write in the dash. Come on, start writing. A is here. Then A after, B you have to write in the dash. Capital B. Then C after, D. E is here. E after, F. Then G is here. G after, H. I after, J. K after, L. Now M is here. Which letter is missing here? N. So write here N. O is here. And here in the dash, which letter you have to write? O after P. P is the correct letter. Now Q is here. In the dash, which letter you have to write? R. Then S is here. Then in the dash, what you have to write? Which letter you have to write? T. Then U is here, but in the dash you have to write which one is the correct letter. That letter you have to write here in the dash. So which is the correct letter? V is the correct letter. Now W is here. W after X. Then Y. In the dash what you have to write, children? Z. Good. Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 20. Now please take out your worksheet number 21. So here children, in your worksheet number 21, what you have to do? Just see here, circle the letter A. What you have to do? You have to circle only letter A. B is here, C also, E also, G is here, J is here, but only letter A you have to circle it. Okay. What you have to do here in the worksheet number 21? Circle the letter A. Okay. Come on, start circling the letter A. Where is the A? There only you have to circle like this. See, here is the capital A. And here also. Like this you have to circle. A. Here also A is there. Like this you have to circle. Only to the A letter. Like this. Okay. Now next, circle the letter B. Here bat picture is here. In the bat, what you have to do? Only you have to circle to the B letter. Right? So see how many B letters you have in the bat. To the B letter only you have to circle. See, here is the B letter. Now here also B letter. Capital B. How many letters you have? To the only B letter you have to circle it. Okay? Like this. Now turn the page. Here also circle the letter T. Here how many T you have here in the tree? To the T letter only you have to circle. Okay? P also there, G also there, B also there, but you should not circle to other letters. Just you have to circle it only letter T. Okay? Come on, start circling. T. T. Here is the T. T. Okay? Many T's are there. Just see carefully and circle to the T letter. T for tree. T for tree. T. T. Okay? Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 21. Okay? So we have completed our worksheets number 19, 20, 21. Now you know very well how to complete your worksheets. So do it properly. Do the neat work and send it to me for correction. Okay children? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.